Hello again, Sunbird Nation. Just wanted to update you on my harmonic balancer. I had it rebuilt by Damper Dudes out on the left coast, wherever they are. At first, he didn't want to do it. He received it and said, yeah, I don't want to rebuild this thing because I did one of these before and it fell apart on the guy. He said there's not enough metal to bond the rubber to. So I don't know what he means by that. Looking at it, it's about 1.5 inches thick. So to me, that's plenty of area. Unless he means it's too thin right here, maybe. I don't know. But regardless, he did want to do it. Told me to buy a used one. Give me a bunch of junkyards to check out. And I said, you know, I don't mind buying a used one, but what's the chance it's going to be better than the one I have? I said, this one's, you know, an old one that slipped. I don't want to buy another one that slipped. And he said, yeah, that's true. So he said, I'll tell you what, I'll rebuild it if you want, but I'm not going to warranty it. So I said, look, I'm not going to hold you to it since you're so skittish about it. I mean, I drive the car 1,000 miles a year, if that. And he said, you know, it's not going to last you 20 years, but it should go, you know, 4 or 5 years, depending on how things go. If you beat the crap out of it, I said, yeah, I'm going to beat the crap out of it. So basically, I bought it, no warranty. Hopefully, it'll be fine. If not, I do have a used one I can throw on there. So it is now right on the money. TDC, I put it at 0. Boom, TDC is right there. I even marked it on the cover here. That's nice. Anyway, I marked 8 for some reason. I just went over the marks with my paint marker. I don't know why I marked 8, because look on the manual, they want the timing on 10 when you put the camshaft gear on. I don't know what I was thinking, but regardless, maybe because that's the big one, you would tend to think it's 0 because it's so big, but it's 8. Maybe I just did that to remind myself that is 8. The one next to it is 10. If you look, I actually tried to mark that one there years ago. So there's 0, that's 8 in the middle. Boy, try moving your finger on the viewfinder. Anyway, so it's done, it's marked up. I can't put it together until I get my cylinder head back on the engine. I just spoke to my cylinder head porting and flow guy. We couldn't get together last weekend because he's a busy fella, but he said maybe this weekend we can do it. So I just got off the phone with him 2 minutes ago. I'm hoping to do it this Sunday. I have the stock cylinder head, my ported cylinder head, my turbo intake, and my MPFI intake. So we're gonna put them all together and see what we get, and I'll report the numbers. I made up a fixture to open and close the valves. It bolts to the head, and you can take one of these T-handles out and just run it down and adjust the, you know, you gotta push the valve open 100, 200, 300, 400 so you can see the flow change. That's how you do it. I'll try to get some video while we're at his secret lair, but this fixture should work. It should bolt to both sides of the head. I test fitted it already. Should work, should do what we want to do. And you put your dial indicator on here, and you measure the amount you're opening the valve. So, I got an old head gasket to bring so we can put that down on his, it's like a big tube you set the cylinder head on, and that's where the suction or pressure comes from. Like I said, I'll try to get a video of it, a couple of videos. I'm sure he's gonna laugh at me, but you know, whatever. He's a hardcore racer, runs like 8s in his dragster, and this is, to him, it's a joke, but you know, what's what I do. So anyway, I'll have some video hopefully after the weekend and see how we do. Thanks for watching as usual.